Alright, here we go again. Winchester Deer Season XP. I'm gonna do a water catch with this bullet. Really liking it, and gonna see how it does, how it opens up in the water, and take a look. Alright, doing a water catch with the Winchester Deer Season XP in 223, and we're about 50 yards out. We're just into second jug, so this is stopping within 2 jugs. Alright, here we go on the water catch. That is the 223 Deer Season XP. Going in, blew up the first jug, didn't exit the second jug, and as you see, it came out the jacket like most of them do. Let's just get a little quick size over here going. Roughly, this is, like I said, this is not exact. Like I said, I got a cheapy 0.36 versus 0.21. So, like I said, it expanded up 15 above it. And what was interesting, here we go with the second jug here. Yep, got the second jug going in, and then, ooh, yeah, that's it, going in, and you see that little spot back here in the back. That's where the bullet looked like it hit, right here. I mean, it's lined up with the fly. We're shooting on the fly. I just thought that was neat. This is where the impact is on the backside. See, Frankie's showing you. It's right there, Frankie the fly.